What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the alert button. That way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Now, I can't lie to y'all, I've never taken a Road Glide fairing off, so we're gonna work through this together, see how it goes. But first, let's take a look at this light. So it looks like the instructions are right here that you're able to pull up with the QR code, but you guys don't need to see that. You just want to see the light. Let's check it out. Now I think this thing looks pretty sweet. It's got 3 rows of lights along with 2 turn signals. You got your brackets and replacement hardware. Now that y'all seen that, let's go ahead and start taking this fairing off. Now a 3/16 Allen. I already painted the bolt red. Assuming I disconnect these turn signals up here, because these are the turn signals. So now that we've got the old headlight removed, we're going to put in the new headlight. Prior to putting the new light on, make sure you attach these brackets with the provided hardware and also put the original side panels back on the side. Real quick before we install this on the bike, just in case you guys don't know, Eagle Legs does have a additional turn signal panel that can go right here that you can pick up off their website. I'll make sure that's in the link down there below along with this light as well, like usual. Now let's go ahead and put this on the bike now. guys are going to come on a ride with me, and we're going to see how this light looks. Let's go. All right, everyone. So, of course, I left my house and I drove down the road, so I've already seen what the light looks like, and I ain't gonna lie, I think it's a freaking heck of a lot brighter. So without further ado, let me go ahead and turn the light on. Now, I don't know if this GoPro's doing it any justice, but to me, it's night and day difference. No pun intended. Let's go for a small ride. The brights are definitely bright. If you're looking to get a new light for your road glide, this is definitely the one. I think this thing is pretty damn sick, and a hell of a lot brighter than the stock one, of course. It's hard to see in this light, but the row and the two little fangs, they look pretty freaking cool. If you're thinking about getting this light and you haven't already, make sure you remember to use discount code SWITCHNGEARS. I'll have it linked down below. You get 15% off. Even if you don't want this light, you can still use the discount code on whatever you want on the website. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy my videos. Thanks for dropping by, y'all. See you on the next one.